Hello, little boy. Hello, Oakley. Oh, boy, you're walking around here. You're with Senor. You like Senor, do you? Nick? He's just a cute little puppy.
He's like your little puppy.
Yes. He's so cute.
I like Senor, Llama Boy, and Nick.
Llama Boy.
Who cares?
Who cares about you, Nick?
Sorry.
You. Walk about. Ew. Senor.
Hey.
Senor, what's your favorite show?
Look at my stitches.
What's your favorite show?
I said look at my fucking stitches.
No, what's your favorite show, dude?
Okay, then look at my wiener.
What's your favorite show?
My wiener.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew it was Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
I said Dripping Jaw.
Oh, I didn't know you liked that.
Printing out.
Great. Printing out. It's Tuesday. Gotta do a hop on Tuesday. Printing out. Strike. Okay. Now.